Otovent glue ear, treatment of negative pressure in the middle ear. So basically, once you get your box, you open it up. There's a device. This is the attachment that goes in your nostril and then attaches to the balloon. You get several extra balloons with this, and the directions are in there. You can use one balloon for about 20 times. Basically, take your device, stretch out the balloon, because first time use, it's really hard to even blow air into it, just like a regular latex balloon. So once you get that, you're gonna attach it to the circle area, and pretty much that's it. I'm gonna take this, stretch it out a little bit more, occlude one nostril, place that section in one nostril. This is method 1, and then you blow air about grapefruit size. Take a swallow in, and then blow the air in, and that should hear crackling sounds in both of your ears. And that's the way it should be working. And then you do it on the other side and repeat the process. Blow the air out, swallow while blowing the air back in. Method 2 is basically you can take this device after cleaning everything, blow it up just by blowing into it, occluding it, and then you're going to take some water. You can swallow a little bit to clear your throat, but then keep water inside your mouth, and then place it in one nostril, occlude one side, and then swallow the water while releasing the air inside. So that's another method you can do if you're not able to swallow without the water in there. Method 3 is using your nostril to blow the air and then occlude it. Then you're going to take your water, sip, and then hold it in your mouth, and then occlude one nostril, and then place it in there and release the air and while swallowing too. That's the other method you can do. And then you'll repeat on the other side. Use it about 2 to 3 weeks, 2-3 times a day. And then if nothing improves, you might have to see your ENT.